welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the 24A Artist Pass palette. It is by Morphe, collaborating with Sweetie, and oh my god, look at that, just look at that. It is beautiful. I've been waiting for this in the mail for like 2 weeks now because of what's going on, so it was delayed a little bit. But let's play around with these. Yeah, I have in mind kind of what I want to try or do, but let's see if it works out okay. I just had to clip my hair up real quick. Oh, and I also got with the palette as well, had to get me some lashes, you know. These are bomb. These are in Yes Queen. These are great. I had to cut them down because they're a little bit too long. What else did I get? Oh, I got the Jeffree Star velour lipstick and like the super bright red. Let me see. Let me get it. I'm thinking of like, I don't know, maybe on like another look I'll do like a red eyeliner wing. That'd be cute. I don't know. But as you can tell, I already have my eyebrows on. Let me get, sorry, can't talk. Let me know if you guys want like an eyebrow routine. I can do that because I don't really like doing it on camera. So let's hop right into the palette and see what kind of creation we can do. Look at those colors though, for real. Like, I love how she like corresponded each color with like a glitter. Look at that. That is so cute. Sweetie, you did a good job. Bear with me because I do wear glasses and it's pretty hard to see, and just like, I'm gonna use this mirror that comes with it, so just bear with me if I'm like squinting and shit because a bitch can't see. Okay. Alright, just for the eyes, I'm just gonna set it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. So we're just gonna do that. I need a new one of these because this shit was just a sample, you feel me? I love it though. It's hella bomb. Bruh. I'm gonna like pop in a picture right here so I can show you what I look like right now. Let's just blend that out real quick, please. Should I do a Q&A, you guys, for my next video? So you'll get to know me more, you know? I mean, if you didn't already know, my name is Francine, aka France, whatever. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to know more about me. Alright, since that's blended out, let's hop in with the first color. I'm thinking this yellow right here is like calling my name or something because I need to use it. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe times Jeffree Star brush and see what I mean. I can't see, man. I'm squinting and shit. JS8. Yeah, JS8. Let's throw that in. Ooh. Ooh. What am I doing, bro? I got a mirror right here. Okay. Okay. Let's do it again. No, I'm tripping. I'm like, it looks kind of green, but no. See? I got a stimulus. Not a stimulus. You can tell I got my stimulus. I got a stigmatism, bro. Damn. Let's blend that out. She cute. Okay, now I'm doing the other eye. As you can tell, I'm not like those other girls that like to do one eye at a time. I'm weird. I need to do both eyes at the same time. I don't know why. I feel like, I don't know. I mean, I've never tried it, so I really can't say that I can't do it. I just prefer doing it this way. Complicated? You know. It's pretty pigmented. I'm liking it. Should I do green with this, y'all? Because I was feeling like maybe doing the yellow and the blue, but ooh, look at yellow and the green though, you know? Can't decide. Why not? No, I can't do both. That'd be too much. I don't want to color crash, you know? If that even makes sense. I want them to clash. That's what I meant. Let's see. See, what the I'm using this shit again instead of using this. Okay, so I changed my mind again. I'm gonna first go in with, what is it called? Desert Vibes. I didn't read the name of the yellow one either. Under the Sun. That was the yellow one. So let's go with Desert Vibes. I'm taking the JH36. Yes. Okay. Let's just pop that right here. Ooh. She pigmented, girl. I like it. Let's see. Okay. She's coming through. She's coming through. These are also new brushes, you guys. I ordered like 15 of them on Morphe because I had the 60% off on all the brushes, so they were like $2 to $3 each. So shit, you know, yeah, I had to cop me some, you know. Let's see. I'm seriously so happy though, because like this palette is so worth it. It's like $30 I think, but these, I've been waiting to get some lashes because I lose mine all the time because I be taking them off everywhere I'm at, you know. If I go to sleep somewhere, if I'm at like my brother's or my boyfriend's, like I'll just be taking them off, and then I'm like, where did I put them? Like, need like a little case or something to put them in. This side's pretty blended. Let's pop it on the other side. How are you guys though? How's your quarantine life? Is it boring? Is it fun? Are you trying new stuff? I know I want to read more books. I just ordered some on Amazon. I ordered The Lovely Bones. I have read it before, but I want to read it again because I haven't read it since high school, so I just want to read that again. And I got Boy in the Striped Pajamas. That movie made me cry, but I bet the book's gonna make me cry even more. Let's see. I want more like, I don't know, because I used to be like a big romance reader, but now I'm like, I like mystery and thriller and murder, you know. I don't know. I don't like that lovey-dovey shit no more. I want killings, you know. I mean, lovey-dovey stuff is cute still too. I wanna reread Twilight again. That was the best. I love that. I just watched the whole saga like 2 weeks ago. Team Edward, y'all. Team Edward. Dipping into Rider Sky. I like that name. That's cute. Girl, what the damn. Okay. Just do it right here. Oh, I don't even know where I'm going with this look, y'all, but let's hope it turns out cute at least. Like, there's so many colors. Like, I just want to use all of them, you know. over like, I don't know, like the yellow is the sun and it's like a sunset with the ocean water. No. I don't know. Watch. Once I cut the crease, like it'll look better because right now it's not looking cute. Maybe I should have used the green. I don't know. Damn. Let's pop a little glitter on there too after. Cause I don't know. I like glitter. I don't know. Some people like matte eyeshadows and stuff. I like glitter. I don't know. Okay, I made a decision. I'm going to put, what is it called? Major Inspo. Okay. Look at that purple. It's beautiful. Let's see. It's pretty pigmented. Okay. Let's see. Just pop it right here. We're just fucking messing with colors now. It's because this palette has so many colors and like you just want to use them, you know? There's a lot of looks that can be made with this palette. I should do a video with like hella different looks, huh? That'd take hella long though. We'll do it. We'll try it. How about that? Oh, that'll be in the list. I have a list I want to do. Like videos I want to try. I want to try the 5-minute makeup challenge. Let's see how that fucking turns out. I look retarded. I can't do shit in 5 minutes. It takes me like 45 minutes to do my makeup. I'm gonna look like just hurt. Man. Let's hope I didn't fuck up with putting this purple right here. We just gotta blend this bitch out. I'm gonna cut my crease with the e.l.f. 16-hour caramel concealer. Just gonna, I already looked up, so I made the line where I'm gonna start the carving. But I don't like this concealer. A lot of people praise this concealer, but it's like super, I don't know, maybe it's good that it's sticky, that it'll dry fast, but it's hard to work with, you know? Well, I heard there's 2 of them, so I think I got the matte one, and there's one different one. Sorry, I'm trying to focus. I'm not talking. And plus, it don't help that I'm fucking blind, you know? I'm like squinting too when I'm doing this shit. I just blended the purple shade just all around, so I'm not looking stupid no more. And then I just winged it out so it'll look better. Okay, I'm just putting Private Oasis on my brow bone. Yes, queen, to make it pop. Ooh, that is cute. Okay, this is my favorite part of doing makeup. This, I love doing this. So satisfying. That's cute. Shut up. Okay, I'm just going in with that purple shade again. And I'm just putting that on my under eye. Yes, queen. That is pigmented, honey. Okay, y'all. These are what the lashes look like. These are awesome. Again, they are from Morphe, called Yas Queen. They are just fabulous. I'm just going in with the Fit Me foundation. I am in the color 120. So let's do that. There we regret this, but I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. concealer. This right here. I'm only doing this because this is my lightest concealer. And I just want to use it, you know? I don't know, it's just the texture or something. It's weird. Maybe I got a bad one or something. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. I might be tripping. God, I haven't used it since I got it. It's just, I don't know. Oh, now I want to work today. I'm waiting in the mail for my books, like I said, and I bought a heck of beauty blenders. I need makeup wipes too. I need makeup wipes, foundation, primer. Shit, I need hella shit. But I haven't been to any stores. I love this concealer. Canary Islands, Sephora. I want to try the MAC one though. A lot of people like it. I want to try it out. I don't have any MAC. I don't own MAC. My nose itchy. And this one. Itchy nose. Just smile. Just applying that. Okay, so I got this. Let's see. Is she there? I don't feel like she's showing up on this brush. Stop whistling, bitch. Okay, she's there now. I want to try Kylie's, but I heard different opinions about it. Like, some people praise it, some people hate it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys own Kylie? Should I buy some? Is it worth it? Or is it trash? Y'all, I did it. It looks so cute. Doesn't it? Oh my god, the stars. They are so cute. Oh my god. Okay. This was the final result now, officially. Officially, this is the end of the video. But yes, this palette is, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. It is really good. I like it. Next video, I'm gonna do a better look. Ooh. My man texts me, sorry. See what I mean? I'm like squinting to read. Terrible eye vision. But yes, leave a comment down below if you like it, or give me ideas, or comment down about your channel. I'll check it out. Okay, I truly am high because after I just finished filming, I saw that, stupid me, I did not cut this crease. I forgot to cut this crease because I did one eye at a time because I'm stupid. But I fixed it, you guys. Now I don't look fucking bonkers. But this is how it looks. Sorry for my stupidity. But your girl will get it next time. So this is the final result now, the third time.